Seeing the abundant waste of coconut shells in Blitar city, Ismarofi, 42, racked his brain. With a capital of Rp 2 million from a neighbor's loan, a resident of JL Kalaglaga 48 Tanjung Sari, Sukareo sub-district, Blitar city is in action. Ismarofi took the waste from his neighboring vegetable vendor. Then make a modification machine to form the coconut shells in accordance with the motive of the chill. After that, shapes that have been shaped a particular motif affixed to the paper media carton coated fabric. Only after that is sewn with nylon thread and then finishing, then we put the furring handle, sew the shirt bag, he explained at his workshop on Saturday, September 16, 2017. This is the beginning of the bag journey in Blitar. Initially Ismarofi production bag is underestimated. He offers the bag door to door, and is often rejected. Though the price of his bag was about Rp 25,000. In 2009 that, my production bag like baseball there is a want. New in 2011 my nephew who is Pinter computer offers in cyberspace, online and the results are amazing, he said. In addition to many who come directly to workshopna, buyers also often order online. Since then, he has been innovating with the shell craft labeled Coco Art. There are 34 models of bags that become collections. The size varies with the price from Rp 25,000 to Rp 125,000. Ismarofi also produces necklaces at the price of Rp 15,000, bracelets and keychains each worth Rp 5,000. The more crowded orders, making his wife, Rirawikrikawati, 38, must go to help his husband's business. Ryan, who has 7 years working in optics, chose to withdraw from his job. Because the design is mostly my make, so let maximal total work, I finally resign, said this woman. This collaboration of husband and wife expertise makes Coco Art production more and more flying. If initially they were only able to hire 2 employees, now there are 40 residents who work in Coco Art workshop. In a day we are able to produce 50 bags of various models. Obudet Alhamdulillah can get Rp 20 million in a month, he said. The buyers were from Sabang to Merauke. Most reservations come from Mamara, Flores, Kalimantan, Bali, and Lombok. If the foreigners are selling the migrant workers, like in Hong Kong, Brunei, and Malaysia, tourists who stay in this hotel are many messages from Russia, Netherlands, and Mexico, said Ryran. If tourists from Europe, continued Ryran, it prefers craft shells without finishing, Diplatur. They prefer the natural texture of the shell. What is the key to their success? Ryran replied, it's all the result of innovating, and takes time, effort, and cost. What is clear, must dare step to start, he concluded.